Take out main machine and all the accessories. Accessories including 1 white rubber hose, 1 black rubber hose, 1 red rubber hose, 2 spray bottles, 3 diamond wands, 6 black rubber rings, 1 power cord, 9 diamond tips, 3 glass tubes, 1 pack of cotton filter. Place all 9 diamond tips on the machine. Take out 1 black rubber ring to install on the wand. There are altogether 6 rubber rings. Replace any faulty rubber ring with the new ones. Please note, make sure you install a rubber ring before microdermabrasion treatment to avoid low or no section. Then place the 3 diamond wands and handle holder. When you face the machine, the outlet is on the left and the inlet is on the right. Before microdermabrasion treatment, firstly take out the white rubber hose and insert one end into the inlet and the other end into the diamond wand. Next, select 1 diamond tip you want to work with and place cotton filter. Please note, never skip this step. Then twist the wand cover back on. Connect with power supply. Turn on the device to start the treatment. Twist the suction knob on the device to adjust the suction level. Counterclockwise to lower the suction level and clockwise to increase the suction level. Higher suction level means stronger the tip sucks onto the skin. For each treatment, it's advised to do it for around 10 minutes. Turn off the machine to stop the operation. Detach the diamond tip and throw away the cotton filter inside. Clean the diamond tip with clean water. Take out the 3 glass tubes. Long tube is for nose and nasolabial folds. Flat tube is for forehead and cheeks. Curved tube is for chin, nose, and cheeks. Detach the white rubber hose from diamond wand and connect with glass tube instead. Twist the suction knob on the device to adjust the suction level. There's 1 small round hole on the glass tube. Press down and fill in the hole with your finger to operate and let go of your finger to stop. Turn off the device after treatment. Take out the spray bottles. There are 2 spray bottles for you to alternate between. Take out the black rubber hose and insert the black rubber hose into the outlet hole on the device. Fill in the bottle with water or toner or watery essence. Choose the product also based on your own skin needs. Please note that do not put in product that has too thick consistency. Then connect the other end of the black rubber hose with the spray bottle. Click to turn on the device. Press down on the round hole of the spray bottle, cover with the forefinger to spray to moisturize, clean, infusing, and refine the skin. Release your forefinger to stop spray. Turn off the device. Detach the bottle from the device. Clean and store away.